one you want?
This one. A pencil.
Raphunzel. I thought you were gonna get the pony squishy squishy.
I like it.
I like that one. Do you prefer that one now?
Yes, I want that.
Hmm?
Yes.
Which one?
Josh.
What about Josh? What do you want to buy for Josh?
Josh would like this.
Like that?
Josh would like iron.
So Josh will like Ariel. Are you shopping all of it?
Yeah.
Let me see what you want.
Josh would like iron. I want this.
Mm-hmm. Why do you want some
that?
ball? You want all of that? There's all of them.
And also,
Yeah, so you put it back.
look at Warner.
Yeah, you put all of that back, and then
Mommy,
if you want to
this
get this one,
Look at this.
you want to get that.
Yes.
You don't want any more of the squishy thingy.
Look.
Disipon lagi ko na.
Mommy, look.
What about Barbie? That's
Mommy,
Barbie.
look.
Which one?
Look.
Wow, what's that?
Look at it.
Hmm? Is that the squishy one that we need?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this is the one that you're looking for. What do you want?
Anna.
You want Olaf?
You need Anna.
Anna.
Josh.
So there she is. That's there, and you need also one also. So you want Joshua's?
Joshua like
Okay,
us.
Joshua's. So what else do we need?
Yeah.
Which one you want, Anna or Elsa?
Anna and Elsa.
So what about Joshua?
Joshua like Aya and you like this.
Huh?
I like this one.
All of them.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Mommy will be bankrupt. Oops. So, dami-daming why did you drop it, Mom? So let's go na. Let's go to the counter na.